To set up the inert gas generator in inerting mode, the selected ballast pump must be started first. Then, set the generator mode to inert gas. The operating percentage should be set to 100%, and the fuel pump unit selection must be switched to on. Next, the IG chiller unit must be activated. Once the chiller unit is switched on, the circulating pump will start automatically. A reduction in temperature will be observed at the chiller outlet. When the chiller unit outlet temperature reaches 2 degrees Celsius, the IGG start button will flash yellow and become available. Upon pressing the start button, both IG blowers will begin operating. The delivery valves will open, directing the airflow, shown in white, towards the inert gas generator. From the tower, the air flows to the inert gas cooler and is directed towards the IGG dryer unit. Once in the dryer unit, the dew point of the air will begin to decrease, which can be monitored using the dew point analyzer. As the temperature continues to drop, the line valves will automatically open, and the delivery will be directed towards the funnel top. Once the complete system is set up, the fuel oil pump will start supplying fuel to the pilot burner first, and subsequently to the main burner. As the main burner operates, the generation of inert gas will commence, as indicated by the orange color. The oxygen level will begin to decrease, which can be observed on the oxygen analyzer panel.